Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something that's set to revolutionize how you use your iPhone, iPad and Mac, Apple Intelligence. You've probably heard the buzz since WWDC and its progressive rollout, but what is it really? How does it work? And most importantly, how will it actually change your day-to-day life with your Apple devices? We're going beyond the marketing hype. We'll break down the core features, talk about the crucial privacy aspects Apple is emphasizing, see which devices get these new smarts, and discuss what this means for the future of AI in Apple's ecosystem. Is it just Siri on steroids, or is it something much more? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of Apple Intelligence. Alright, let's get into it. So, what exactly is Apple Intelligence? In simple terms, it's Apple's new personal intelligence system integrated deeply into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. Think of it as a suite of AI-powered tools designed to be intuitive. It's not a single app. Instead, it's a layer of intelligence that enhances existing apps and functionalities. This means your mail, messages, notes, photos, Siri, and even third-party apps will get a whole lot smarter. The core idea is to combine the power of generative AI models with your personal context, your data, your routines, your relationships that's already on your device. This is Apple's big differentiator, making AI truly personal and contextually aware, without compromising your privacy. We'll touch more on that privacy aspect because it's a cornerstone of Apple's approach. Apple Intelligence works on a hybrid model. Many tasks are processed directly on your device, leveraging the power of Apple Silicon's neural engine. This is great for speed and privacy, as your data doesn't need to leave your device. For more complex requests that need greater computational power, Apple has introduced private cloud compute. This is where Apple sends relevant data to Apple Silicon-powered servers to process your request. Apple assures us that this data is never stored, isn't accessible to Apple, and is only used to fulfill that specific request. They're even allowing independent security researchers to inspect the code running on these servers to verify this privacy promise. Okay, let's talk features. This is where things get exciting. Writing tools. This is a big one. System-wide, you'll get powerful writing assistants. Right. Not happy with how something sounds? Apple Intelligence can rewrite your text in different tones. Professional, friendly, concise, or just help you find better wording. Read, it'll catch grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Think of it as a supercharged spell check that understands context. Summarize. Got a long email thread or a lengthy article in Safari app? Apple Intelligence can give you a concise summary. This is huge for quickly getting the gist of long texts, notifications, and even audio recordings in notes. Imagine transcribing a meeting and then getting an instant summary of key action items. Image Playground and Genmoji. Get ready to get creative. Image Playground. You can create fun, original images in seconds just by typing a description. You can choose different styles like animation, sketch, or illustration. This is integrated into apps like Messages, Keynote, and Freeform, and there's also a dedicated Image Playground app. You can even use people from your photos library in these creations. Genmoji? Tired of the standard emoji? Create your own. Describe what you want, and Apple Intelligence will generate a unique Genmoji. You can even create Genmoji that look like you or your friends from your photos. Siri overhaul, Siri is finally getting the major upgrade we've been waiting for. More natural conversation, Siri will have richer language understanding. It'll be more forgiving if you stumble over words or correct yourself mid-sentence. It will also maintain context better across follow-up questions. Type to Siri. Don't want to speak out loud? You can now type your requests to Siri. This is great for noisy environments or when you need to be discreet. A double tap on the bottom of your iPhone or iPad screen brings this up. On-screen awareness. This is a game changer. Siri will be able to understand and take action on what's on your screen. For example, if a friend texts you their new address, you could say, "Add this address to their contact card," and Siri will do it. Apple says this is still in development and will come in a future update. Product knowledge. Siri will have a deeper understanding of your device's features and settings, able to provide step-by-step instructions. Enhanced Photos app. Cleanup tool. Remove unwanted objects or photo bombers from your pictures with a simple tap or by circling the object. The AI intelligently fills in the background. Memory movies. Create custom memory movies by just typing a description of the story you want to see. Apple Intelligence will find the best photos and videos, craft a storyline with chapters, and arrange them into a movie. Natural language search. Finding photos and videos will be easier than ever. You can search using natural language, like photos of Sarah hiking in the mountains last summer, or even find specific moments within a video clip. Prioritized notifications and reduce interruptions focus. Prioritized notifications. Important notifications, like weather alerts or urgent messages, can be intelligently pushed to the top of your stack. Reduce interruptions focus. This new focus mode uses AI to filter out less important notifications while still allowing truly urgent ones to come through, even if they aren't from explicitly allowed contacts or apps. ChatGPT integration. For queries where it might be beneficial, Siri and system-wide writing tools can tap into ChatGPT's expertise, specifically GPT-4o. You'll always be asked for permission before any information is sent to ChatGPT, and your IP address is obscured and requests aren't stored by OpenAI if you don't have an account with them. This provides an optional, more powerful layer for complex requests or creative brainstorm. Apple is hammering home the privacy aspect of Apple Intelligence, and it's a crucial differentiator. As mentioned, a lot of processing happens on the Visma. When data does go to the cloud for private cloud compute, Apple has built it with privacy at its core. Data is not stored on Apple servers. Data is not accessible to Apple employees. It's powered by Apple Silicon, bringing the security architecture of your iPhone to the cloud. Or independent researchers can verify these claims. This focus on privacy is a direct challenge to other AI models that often rely on collecting vast amounts of user data in the cloud. Whether this commitment holds up under scrutiny and over time will be critical, but it's a strong starting point. You can even generate an Apple Intelligence report in settings to see what requests your device has sent to private cloud compute. Now, who gets all this AI goodness? This is where some limitations come in. Apple Intelligence requires significant processing power, specifically from the neural engine in Apple Silicon. iPhones. You'll need an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max, or newer models like the iPhone 16 series. iPads, you'll need an iPad with an M1 chip or later. Macs, you'll need a Mac with an M1 chip or later running macOS Sequoia. Apple Intelligence began rolling out in beta with iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1 and macOS Sequoia 15.1 initially in US English. More features and languages are being added progressively through updates like iOS 18.2, 18.4 and beyond throughout 2025. So if you don't see all features immediately or if it's not available in your language yet, more are on the way. Some of the more advanced Siri capabilities are expected later, possibly in early 2026. So, what's the initial take? Apple Intelligence is undeniably a massive step forward for Apple. It's not just about flashy AI tricks. It's about making your existing Apple ecosystem more helpful, intuitive and efficient. The focus on on-device processing and private cloud compute is a genuinely thoughtful approach to AI privacy. Features like the enhanced writing tools, the smarter Siri, and the new capabilities in Photos are genuinely useful and will likely become indispensable for many users. The Image Playground and Genmoji add a fun creative dimension. However, it's still early days. Some of the most anticipated features, like full on-screen awareness for Siri, are still to come. And the device limitations mean not everyone with an Apple device will get to experience it right away, which might push some users to upgrade sooner. Early reviews have been mixed, with some finding features like notification summaries incredibly useful, while others find image generation tools like Image Playground less refined than dedicated alternatives, or some features less impactful in their daily use. The true impact will become clearer as more features roll out and users integrate them into their daily lives. What's next? Expect Apple to continue refining these models, adding more languages and expanding capabilities. The integration with ChatGPT is also interesting, showing Apple is willing to collaborate where it makes sense, while still trying to control the core experience and privacy. So, what are your thoughts on Apple Intelligence? Are you excited about these new features? Are you concerned about anything? Which feature are you most looking forward to trying out? Or if you've used it, what's your experience been? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on all things Apple and tech, make sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future deep dives. We'll be covering more Apple Intelligence features as they roll out, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.